It's Miss Purple Vibes and I'm back with another video. And today we are making garlic butter shrimp. Let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and season our clean shrimp, put them in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now let's chop up our garlic. My personal preference is fresh cloves. You're gonna take a stick of butter. I use unsalted butter, and you can put as much butter as you want. I put 1 stick and also a small piece of butter. You're gonna see that later on in the video. And you just let it melt. Once your shrimp are finished marinating in the fridge, you're gonna take them out. This is the star of the show. The shrimp, the garlic, and the butter are your stars of the show. And I personally left the tails on it. You don't have to do that, but I just feel like it gives it extra flavor. Now it's time to add the chopped garlic into the pot. Now this part right here, it is optional. I forgot I had some leftover jalapenos in my fridge, so I decided to add that as well. You can do it if you like, or you don't have to. It's totally up to you. It just gives it a good kick. But yeah, back to the video. Another item I decided to add in this dish I felt like would make it more flavorful was some onions and also some bell pepper. But in this dish, remember, you gotta have the garlic, the butter, and the what? Shrimp. Once you add your shrimp to your pot, now it's time to let everything cook down about 20 minutes or to your liking. Remember when cooking to always check your food every once in a while, just to make sure that everything is coming along just fine. And don't forget to add salt if needed. It combines all the flavors as well. But once again, optional. Let me know down below in the comments if you're a seafood lover and if you've tried this dish before. I would really like to know. I also decided to cook some air fried crispy chicken on the side. Check out my video because I did do a video on that as well if you're interested. You already know what time it is. My favorite part, time to eat. It looks so good. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment below, and like this video. See you guys later. Bye.